Hi there, I'm Carrie Heustis, team lead for the Edge Group at Keller Williams, and welcome to this beautiful Mediterranean mission-style home and the exquisite community of Pablo Creek Reserve. This stunning home was designed by renowned architect Kevin Gray and built by Architectural Classics in 2017. I cannot wait to show you. Let's check it out. Pablo Creek Reserve is one of the most exclusive Jacksonville communities with unique individual homes located 1 mile from Mayo Clinic, 2 miles from the beach, and just 5 miles from the St. John's Town Center. Located on a corner lot with a 2-acre landscaped park bordering it on one side and an expansive lakefront behind, 16 beautiful southern red cedars line the drive for complete privacy. The courtyard is extra large, which accommodates more parking spaces and easy access into the garages. Beautifully appointed with attention to detail, the entrance foyer, dining, and living rooms have unique 12-foot high barrel shaped ceilings with unobstructed views of the lake, terracotta tile floors, a stone archway, and exposed wood beams. This outdoor living is fantastic. Imagine entertaining your friends and family during the Florida fall weather with a spectacular fountain view. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home with us in Pablo Creek Reserve. We are so excited to share it with you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or my team.